Would you believe me if I told you that this chocolate bar is made at home just in few minutes? You do not need any expensive cacao pods, you do not need any expensive equipments, few ingredients, and you get a perfectly healthy chocolate bar at home. And this is also refined sugar free. I have used jaggery, but I will tell you what other substitutes you can use. So first what you need is cocoa butter. This is very important. This helps for the chocolate to set. Now most of the recipes online I have seen it is with coconut oil, but I feel coconut oil when you remove it outside within few seconds the chocolate will start melting. So I prefer cocoa butter. So you take a double boiler, you chop the cocoa butter, let it melt. Then I have added jaggery. So jaggery, just make sure that it is in powdered form. If you can grind your jaggery also, just make sure it's in powdered form. Then after the jaggery is mixed, I added cocoa powder, and then I added milk powder. Now milk powder, you want to make it vegan, you can add coconut powder also. Keep mixing it till it becomes smooth. Then I added vanilla essence. Now suppose if you are melting it and it all comes together, don't worry, you can add a little bit of oil and it will become into a liquid state. Then I put everything in a blender and I blend it for around 3 to 5 minutes. Now this why I'm doing is it the more smoother it blends, you can see the shine also right now, the better your chocolate will turn out. Then I have taken a silicone mold. You can use any mold of your choice, but I prefer silicone mold. You can add nuts to this. You can add different flavors also to this chocolate. Just pour it in the mold and keep it in the fridge till it's set. So just to set it really quick, I put it in the freezer. But fridge is better because freezers, if you remove it, you will find condensation. Now you can see my chocolate bar is ready. This bar will stay like good for more than a month, but make sure you always refrigerate it. You can keep it outside, but with the heat and all, it'll start melting. It's perfect for kids also because as you see, easy to make, no preservatives, nothing. So do try this and let me know.